Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Aquarian's Life Kitchen. Today, I'll be doing a vlog on some plants. I'm at Doreen's Nursery, right here in beautiful Jamaica. So here we have some lovely plants. So, Miss Doreen, can you tell me the name of any of these plants?
These are big owners.
Big owners.
Yes, big owners.
All right, so these are called big owners. Look at them. A lovely plant. And if you need your plant, you can contact Miss Doreen at
982
982
0699.
0699. That's 982 0699. Wow, and the plants are looking so lovely.
Orchids. They are dancing ladies.
Okay, so look. These are orchids, dancing ladies. Look at them. Looking lovely. I will pin the number in the comment section. The first number is an old number, so I'm gonna pin the new number in the comment section.
Orchids.
So I guess this is another type of orchid because this leaf look fat. Chamber, okay. And this one looks slender. So it's two different type of orchid. All right. And this is how it looks when it blooms. Wow, lovely. And they are in different colors. And this one is white, snow white, looking so lovely. Look at that. All right, so look at it, guys. Lovely orchid. Nice to put inside your home. All right, moving along.
These are chrysanthemum. So kept with puss whiskers. See?
What's the name?
Puss whiskers.
Puss whiskers.
Puss whiskers.
Puss whiskers. Okay. This one is new to me.
Yeah.
Puss whiskers. And what do we have up here?
I don't remember the name of this one.
This one is a lovely one. It's bright.
This one looks nice one here. So,
Good.
yeah.
Right.
Well, these are young plants.
Okay.
This is a
I like this one. Look at the leaves. God's creation. All right, moving along. We have a lot of flowers here, guys. So if you want your flowers, check out Miss Doreen's Nursery.
chrysanthemum, yeah?
This one is the
Chrysanthemum.
chrysanthemum.
And this is a puss cattail as well.
Nice, lovely. Good job. So tell me something, Miss Doreen. What inspired you to plant flowers?
This is inspired from some younger days, some school days I'm doing plants.
Okay. And I can see that you love plants. What is the name of this one?
That's a creep. We call it a creep.
Call it creeper. This one is lovely, guys. Look at it. Lovely plant. Come on, man. Check out Doreen's Nursery. Plants, 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 plants. Look at plants. Look, guys, look. Plants. Plants galore. All right. Here we have some large ones. I think this is another creeper, right?
No, that's an oya.
Oil?
Oya.
Oya. So guys, this one is called...
It's a creeper.
Oh, this is the creeper. Which one is Oya?
These are oya.
Okay, these are Oya. Look at this one, guys.
Yeah, all over here.
Plants are useful. And look at this one with the two different colors. This is what, burgundy at the back and green at the front. Oh, amazing. What's the name of this one?
Oh, I don't know the name of that.
Alright, so we'll get the name and come back to you guys. What about this?
One of those are one family. We call them prayer plant, but they have a different name.
Oh, we call this one prayer plant, but it has a different name. Alright, nice. That's wonderful. Here we have...
All these along with these are the same category.
Oh, these. Okay, so these are one family.
Yeah, one family from one yeah, one family.
Alright. And guys, did you know that plants can heal you? Yes, man, plants can heal you. Look at this one. I like the shape of this leaf. Looking like an heart. I guess when you look at this plant, you think about love, don't it? Yeah. And we'll get the name later on. Glorious. Glorious. The name of this one is Glorious. So if you like the Glorious plant, check Miss Doreen's nursery. And here we have some babies coming up. Left and back here. Leaf and back here. Deep and back here. Alright, so I got that one right. Look at it, guys. I guess you will like even one or two of these plants. This one is called Zizi. I am learning too, you know, guys. Zizi. This one is called Zizi. And I guess all of them have their use. All right.
This is the peace lily.
Peace lily. Very good. So I guess when you look at it, you feel peaceful, huh, sir?
Yeah, color white.
All right.
White.
All righty.
And these now is the same plant of the philodendron. These are philodendron.
Philodendron. Okay. So I am learning the names of some plants today. Because it's the first I'm hearing some of these names.
This is a type of grass. Oh, this grass is called moon grass, something like that.
This one bloomed as well?
No, don't bloom.
Look at this one, Moony. Wow. And it feels nice, guys. It feels so good.
They don't bloom at all, yeah?
And these...
Yeah, these grass don't bloom.
Alright, these ones, they don't bloom, but they are looking so lovely. Nice. Right.
Okay. And these is the rat bat over here.
These ones? Which one is called the rat bat?
It's called a rat bat.
Look at it, the leaf is so looking so glossy. Look at it, guys, the rat bat. This one is called fern. I wonder why they give this one name rat bat. I guess the leaf look like they... Oh. And here she's preparing to plant. Alright, what is this one called?
I don't really know. That's a type of edging. Over there.
Oh, it's a type of edging. So this one goes big?
Right.
Okay.
This is a peacock.
Look at the peacock, guys. I guess they should have more colors for a peacock.
It bloom purple as well.
Okay. Nice.
It bloom like Easter. That's a banana plant.
So those who don't know the banana plant, this is it. The flower, actually, the banana plant flower. Alright.
Different colors. Yeah, different colors.
And they come in different
colors.
Which other color they come in?
Red, orange, pink, and white.
Okay. And what do we have here?
I don't remember the name of this.
Guys, she has so many plants. She can't keep track of all the names. I think you should label them. Yes. So, a suggestion, label the plants, all right?
Well, this is a staghorn fern. You see?
Wow. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. Staghorn fern. That's the name of it. And look at the root, guys. So unique. Look at the leaves. I tell you, you know. Just like how the plants are looking different, so are we. Here we have some more orchid over there. Here we have a very huge one. Wow. Guys, if you're having any event, any wedding, any graduation, this can be used as a form of decor. Look at it. Wow, and the leaves are so huge. This is not a flower, but it's a mango tree. And over there is a ackee tree. Alright, so we are doing flowers today. Wow, I haven't seen this plant in a long while. When I was a child, we used to have this plant. Every household had this plant. This one is called shoe black. Wow, look at it, guys. Shoe black. Original plant. And down here we have some what? These are called what? Sword. So this is a part of the snake plant. This one is called the sword. Do you need a weapon today, guys? Here we have the sword, and it also blooms. Where is the bloom? Okay. Alright, so this is the bloom. Looking nice. Looking lovely. So this is the sword. Look at it, guys. Let me give you a good look. This one is called the sword, and it's a part of the snake plant family. Going on fine. Guys, this is a lime tree. Everything mixing up today. This is what? What is this called?
No, I have no name for it, but it's blowing in the white one. It's so scented. It's very scented.
Okay. So all the plants have their own names and they have their own use. Do you have any of the snake plants?
Yes, I do.
Alright, so we are going over the other side. Here you go, guys. Here you go. Here we have another hanging.
That's an angel wing.
Angel wing. Wow. Fly away, fly away. Angel wing. This one is called angel wing. And I really love these plants. You know, walking in the garden, I am feeling so peaceful. There's a peace in my soul walking through the garden. I guess this is a palm, right? Am I correct? Yes, look at this palm, guys. A lovely palm. Moving along. We saw some of these down there. This one, we never see this one. Princess. Wow. Look at this one, guys. Look at it. This one is called a princess. Lovely man.
Lovely flowers.
Wow.
And this one a lovely orange plant. That's a pink and white.
Okay. What about this one? This one looks nice.
That's a form of fern as well.
Okay, so this one is a form of fern and it's hanging. So guys, we have hanging, running, all sorts of plants here today. We have all sorts of plants. All right. These are called the snake plants.
This is Whitney. This is Whitney.
Whitney.
This is the snake plant.
Hello, Whitney. How are you today?
This is Whitney. This is Whitney.
Oh, this is Whitney. Hi, Whitney. Hello, Whitney.
And these are snake plants.
So look at the snake plants, guys. These are very good plants, guys. Look at it. You need to put one of these in your house. If you live in a dusty area, this plant is very good to keep. And there are a lot of things behind the snake plant. I am giving you that to go and research.
The name of this is a ginger plant.
Ginger plant. Look at it,
They are come in
guys.
colors pink, red, and white.
Ginger plant. Why do they call this ginger plant?
I don't know. It has a little it has just a thing on the bottom look like ginger.
Oh, the root. The
Yes,
root looks like the ginger. Okay.
Some red, white, and pink.
Okay.
That's the name of that one.
What about this lovely one? Wow, guys.
Well, the name for that one.
The leaf feels so good. Smooth.
And this is a shrimp.
Shrimp?
Yeah, this is a shrimp plant.
What you saying?
Yeah, it's coming to pink.
Look at the shrimp plant.
There's a pink and there's a lemon lime and a white. And a
Wow, I love this. Look at it, guys. Shrimpy? Wow. This is not the shrimp that you cook now, guys. This is the shrimp plant. All right, so if you need a shrimp plant, contact Miss Doreen.
I have it in 3 colors.
And we have it in 3 colors. Orange, and what's the other one?
Pink.
Pink. Oh, the pink one is all the way down there. Let us zoom it. See it there, guys. That's the pink shrimp plant. This one is the yellow one. That is also a shrimp plant.
Yeah, this is a pink one.
And this one is the pink one. Look at it, guys. Good.
That's the name of them.
Look at these, guys. So if you are having in an event, you can use these to do your decor. And we don't remember the name of them.
And look at this nice. This one over here. This is Exora. This is so pretty.
Look at this, and this one is huge. This is an Exor.
That's an edging. That's like an edging.
You can use this for edging. Look at this lovely one. I love this one. Look at the leaves.
That's a palm. That's a palm.
It's a palm? Yeah. Okay, this is a palm. And the famous tambourine tree. It's not a flower, but it's a fruit. Let's see if I see a few tamarins on there. Here. Can use to make juice. Or the famous tamarind ball. Alright. So we are at Miss Doreen's nursery. Right over here. We have a lot of plants. Known and unknown. All you gotta do is to check in. What is this one called?
That's a birdless fern.
A what?
Birdless fern.
Birdless fern.
Birdless.
Bird nest fern. Look at it. Oh, I guess because it has that seat in there. Why they call it that?
Birdless.
Look at it, guys. Look. Look at it. Bird nest fern.
And these the suckling.
Look at the succulents. Look at them. Wow. Nature at its best. There you have it, guys. There you have it.
That one is a desert rose.
Desert rose. Look at it. Looking so beautiful. Let me give you a close-up look at the desert rose. Wow, guys. Look. Very good. Nice. Lovely. Lovely, guys. Lovely plants. Over here at Doreen's nursery. Alright. Look at this one.
This coming red and
What is the name of this one? Alright, we'll get back to you with the name.
And this one's a lovely one. It blooms this color and white.
Look at this one, guys. I tell you, these plants are so beautiful. Honestly, they are beautiful. This one is called the bougainvillea. All right, so let's take another 360 look. All right, here we have it. So if you need your plant, you can contact Miss Doreen, and I'm going at 363. Sorry about that, guys. 1876 863 0699. So there you have it. Thank you, Miss Doreen, for having me. I thank you so much. All right, so we are not finished yet, guys. I'll give you a little icing on the cake. This is another form of shoe block. Remember earlier on I showed you the red one? So this is the pink one. All right.
And those desert rose, the desert rose, the desert rose.
Yes, I showed them the desert rose. Here they are, guys.
The white,
this is the white one.
And here's the red.
Look at it. It's the white.
And here's the red.
And this is the red. So we have red, we have white,
pink,
and we have pink in the desert rose.
Another pink one as well.
Here's another pink one. Nice, lovely, lovely, lovely.
These are the hibiscus coming, bougainvillea coming different colors.
I guess this is passion fruit, right?
Right.
Look at it, guys. This is the passion fruit plant. Those of you who love passion, I'm a lover of passion. There is no fruit on it yet to show to you. This one is young. This is the passion fruit plant. And what is this one called? Yeah, this is Texas stage. This is a form of edging, and see the little pink flowers that it bloom. Very lovely. That one there? Ebony. Hello, Ebony. How are you today? Okay, and over here we have bougainvillea. This is the bougainvillea community. So we have pink, and we have white, and that is the red one down there. All right. So thank you all for being here today. Thank you, Miss Doreen, for having me. I am going to pin your number in the comment section. Guys, it was a lovely walk in Miss Doreen's garden.
I also sell fruit trees as well.
Huh?
Fruit trees.
Right, and she also sells fruit trees such as star fruit, tangerine, lime, soursop, sweet sop, you name it, Miss Doreen has it. All right, so this is Aquarian checking out Positivity Positive channel. Love yourself, be good, have a safe and productive day. Thank you all.